Talk students, my name is Spot, and I'm not just any ordinary Spot, I'm a little spot of kindness. December's character trait is kindness. A spot of kindness has a sticky back. The reason my back is sticky is so I can help kindness stick to you. Did you know that every time you are kind, a layer of happiness is added to your heart and to the hearts of others? And since we all have the power to make good choices, you can start making the choice to be kind. I know sometimes it's hard to remember to be kind, and that's why I'm here to help. All you need to do is place a spot on your hand just like that. Now, every time you spot me, do something kind. Saying hello to someone who is alone is a great way to be kind. Remember, being friendly is being kind. Saying please when you want something is one of the easiest ways to be kind. Remember, being polite is being kind. Sometimes being kind can be hard, like when you break something by accident. But this is a perfect time to be kind. Remember, apologizing is being kind. Waiting in line can be difficult, but not getting upset is a great way to be kind. Remember, being patient is being kind. Now grab a little spot of kindness so you too can remember to be kind. Thanks everyone for listening. Now go out there and spread some kindness. I have to now track down Tucker and Shaq for my paycheck and to figure out who towed my car. Ugh!